90% of people are wasting money every single day, and they don't even realize it. And the worst part? It's not big purchases, it's small habits repeating quietly in the background of your life. If you feel like your money disappears fast, you're not alone. Most people think the problem is low income, but in reality, the real problem is money leakage. Small spending habits that feel harmless but slowly drain your financial future without you noticing. Let's break them down one by one. Number 1. Subscriptions you forgot about. You sign up for free trials thinking, I'll cancel later, but later never comes. Netflix, apps, music, cloud storage, random tools. $5 here, $10 there, $15 somewhere else. Individually, it feels small, but over a year, that becomes hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars gone. And the scary part is you don't even feel it leaving your account. Number 2. Convenience spending. Food delivery apps, ride services, instant purchases. You're not just paying for food or transport, you are paying for speed, comfort, laziness. And not comfort comes with a hidden tax, because every time you choose convenience, you're trading long-term wealth for short-term comfort. And not trade repeated daily becomes expensive. Number 3. Impulse buying. You see something, you like it, and you buy it instantly. No pause, no thinking, no logic. That moment of emotion controls your wallet. And companies are designed for this exact behavior. Flash sales, discounts, limited time offers. Every impulse purchase feels small, but it destroys financial discipline over time. Number 4. Lifestyle inflation. You earn more money, so you automatically increase your spending. Better phone, better clothes, better lifestyle. It feels like progress, but your bank account tells a different story, because expenses rise exactly with income, and wealth never gets a chance to grow. This is why many high earners still feel broke. Number 5. Small daily expenses. Coffee, snacks, random purchases, small treats. They feel meaningless in the moment, but here's the truth. What you spend daily becomes your financial identity, because habits are stronger than income, and these small leaks repeated over time shape your entire financial reality. Here's the truth. It's not one big mistake. It's not one bad decision. It's small habits repeated every single day that quietly keep you broke. If you fix these 5 things, you don't need a higher salary to build wealth. You just need control. Control over habits, control over impulses, control over decisions. Subscribe for daily money tips.